Shots, short news in 30 seconds. We all welcomed this year 2020 with great excitement. When the clock hit midnight, people around the world made new resolutions. People made different commitments and plans like traveling abroad, learning guitar, getting married, changing job, introducing new startup and whatnot. While welcoming 2020, everyone looked for a ray of hope to restart the positive and productive bounce in their life. However, considering the current situation, it has changed the entire map of the world. Just as gamers fight a new enemy after every level in the game, 2020 seems like serving as a global platform for the people who fight different battles every month in this game. The first battle began with Australian bushfires, where people witnessed traumatizing scenes where animals were burned alive in the bushfires in Australia. At the same time, Taal volcano in Philippines disturbed the entire community. While many people lost their lives, the nation's economy saw a drop in production too. Just as when people were rushing to help each other, coronavirus shocked the world as it was declared a global pandemic in the month of March. After the nationwide lockdowns were imposed globally, the economy saw a huge nosedive in different forms. From the oil market to job retention, people either lost their jobs during economic fallout or they lost their firms due to losses. Millions of people now have lost their lives to COVID-19, while many millions are still suffering from financial and mental pressure. The war against COVID-19 might take the entire year of 2020 to conclude, but the enemies and battles were just adding fuel to the fire. After India-China border stand Ladakh in June 2020, the relationship between the two countries was questioned at many levels. Amid national discussions, floods in Japan in July disturbed the entire nation. While fighting COVID-19 battle, people felt the exhaustion at an extreme level. While many people thought that nationwide lockdowns will improve the environmental condition, Mauritius recently declared an environmental emergency after oil spill in the sea. In August 2020, Air India plane crash shocked the region as it was a repatriation flight carrying Indians from GCC region. At least 12 people died in the crash, leaving many others injured. At the same time, the explosion in Lebanon's capital Beirut disturbed the peace for all in August. At least 200 people died in the explosion while hundreds of them are still missing. Seems like that wasn't enough when Kuwait reported fuel tank explosion in the same month. While the world is still fighting these battles, people felt the mental pressure increasing. Suicidal cases in this year, including famous personalities like Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput and British journalist Paul Lambert. Let's hope that the game ends soon and we all can see the ray of light that we were hoping for when this year began. If you liked our video, click on the bell icon and subscribe to keep watching Alshot's videos.